Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 4. Today we will do some exercise of this chapter. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 4 and this is page number 31 to 33, and today we will do filling the blanks and matching, and our today's SW number is 9 number SW and this is lecture number 12, and this is your science book, and our today's topic is here page number 31. All of you, when you are watching this class, please take your science book, this page. So dear students, let's begin the class. You can see I have written all topics from page number 31 and 32 here, and the first point here is balanced diet. A balanced diet is necessary for keeping our body healthy. A balanced diet is a diet that contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients in order to keep our body healthy. We should take balanced diet every day. We should take balanced diet every day. Food groups. All the food belongs to 6 food groups. In order to get healthy life, we should eat proper amount of food from each of these food groups. We can get all nutrients from variety of foods in each of these food groups. Balanced diet contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. That means sufficient amount of all necessary nutrients. We can select balanced diet easily from available and reasonable variety of foods. And now here is a chart. We can see here is the food group, and this one portion is main nutrients, and here is the sources of foods. And food group here is grain and potato. And from this type of food we can get carbohydrate, and the nutrient name is here carbohydrate, and the sources of food is here rice, wheat, potato, corn, etc. And next food group here is vegetables, and we get vitamins and mineral from these vegetables, and the sources of food name here is cauliflower, leafy vegetables, carrots, onions, tomato, okra, pumpkin, etc. And next food groups here is fruits, and we get vitamin and minerals from these fruits, and here is the name of these sources of food like mango, berries, jackfruit, banana, apple, orange, grape, etc. And next food group here is meat, fishes and pulses, and we get protein from this kind of food. And here is sources of food: chicken, fish, eggs, nuts, beans, pulses, etc. And next food group here is milk and dairy products. We get calcium, vitamin from this kind of food. And here is the sources of food is milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. And next food group is here is oil and fat, and we get fat from this food group, and the name of these food sources of food here is ghee, butter, mustard oil, soybean oil, etc. Students, now we will learn about a food plate. Look at this picture. Here is a picture of a healthy eating plate, and we can see here is the large portion of this plate. Here is the large portion of this plate is you have to take grain and potato. That means carbohydrate portion you have to eat each meal, and then you can see vegetable and fruit portion, and then here is meat and beans. That means here is protein portion, and after that you can see meal. This one is milk, and this one is, and the little portion here is oil and fat. Now let's read this part. A food plate. A picture of the plate helps us to make sure we get all the nutrients we need each meal. The size of the proportion in the plate suggests the amount of foods we should eat. According to the picture, we should eat vegetables and fruits about half of our plate, and you can see here is the plate. We can, according to the picture, we should eat vegetables and fruits about half of our plate. We should also drink plenty of water and can choose oil and fat group in small amount. And now exercise. Students, we have finished reading this chapter, that means this is chapter 4. Now we will do exercises of this chapter. Here is matching. Now we will do this matching. Look at this. A number here is grain group. Which one is grain from this right side? Which one is grain group? Rice. We will match with this. And B number vegetables group here is cauliflower. We will match with this. And next one, fruits group. Here is fruit from this right side. Here is mango, fruit group. And D number milk group is yogurt. And last one here is oil and fat group. Here is from oil and fat group. Here is soybean oil. We will match with this. Now, how will you write this matching in your exam? I will show you. Like, here is A number. At first, you will write A plus 5. A number match with this 5 number. Then you will write A plus 5. And after that, you will write the words here, grain group, and then plus rice. In your exam you will write like this, and then after that you will write B plus, it will match with 4 number, Roman number 4, and write here the word, and plus again write the right side word. And C number, it will match with C plus 1 number, Roman 1, and then D, it will match with this 2 number, Roman number 2, and then write here left side's words and plus sign, give plus sign, and then write the right side words. And after that E, it will match with 3 number, Roman number 3, and then we will write the words here right side, and after put here plus sign and write the right side word. Okay, I am writing the whole here. B number was vegetable. Like this you will write, and plus put here plus, and it was cauliflower. And then C, fruit group, and after that it will match with mango. And next D1 was milk group, and it was matched with yogurt. And after that last one was oil and fat group. It was matched with soybean oil. Soybean oil. So like this you will write in your exam. Now we will do fill in the blanks. Students, we will do fill in the blanks. Here is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks. We get food from dash an animal in the environment. We get food from plants. Here will be plants. Plants and animals in the environment. Next one here is the portion from meats fish and eggs are called what? Animal proteins. It will be animal proteins. We get meat, fish and eggs from animal, so it will be animal protein. We have to eat dash every day to keep our body healthy. We have to eat a balanced diet. We have to eat a balanced diet every day. Every day to keep our body healthy. And next one here is due to lack of vitamin A is caused what? Due to lack of vitamin A is caused night blindness. What will be the answer? Night blindness. So that's it. It was our fill in the blanks. Now your HW. Our today's HW number is 9 number HW. And your HW will be fill in the blanks. How many fill in the blanks? Of this chapter, here is total 4 fill in the blanks. And it will be your HW. 4 fill in the blanks. So your 9 number HW will be 4 fill in the blanks. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.